Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up YouTube Studio branding elements using Canva exports step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Canva website and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. Choose the appropriate dimensions for your YouTube branding elements. For a channel logo, select Logo from the drop-down menu. For a channel banner, select YouTube Channel Art. Now, use the design tools to create your logo or banner. Incorporate your brand colors, fonts, and imagery into your design. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the upper right corner. Select the file format you prefer for your exports, such as PNG or JPEG. Download your design to your computer. Next, open a new tab and navigate to YouTube Studio. Log into your YouTube account if prompted. In YouTube Studio, locate the customization option on the left sidebar. Click on Branding within the customization menu. You'll see options for adding your logo, banner image, and video watermark. Click on Upload under the Logo section to add your logo. Select the logo file you downloaded from Canva and click Open. Adjust the logo's cropping as necessary, then click Done. Next, click on Upload under the Banner Image section. Find and select your channel art file, then click Open. Verify the appearance in the preview window, and click Done. Scroll down to the Video Watermark section. Click on Upload and choose a watermark image from your Canva exports. Adjust the size if needed and click Done. Finally, review all changes to ensure everything is correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.